Millen here from TeslaTaxi.com.au, just showing you the Starlink app. Obviously we're not logged in here, but we are on the same wireless network, so we've got full control over the app here from this iOS device. Nice fast speeds currently coming through the system. If we go in here to settings, we can pack the system away, stow and unstow from any iOS device that's connected to your wireless network, which obviously you're getting through the little Starlink router provided there. It's a coverage map currently for Australia. As you can see, most places where there's people, the system works. This is a speed test we just did. Earlier tests were getting much higher upload speeds, but it's not always at optimal speed in Australia. As you can see, this iOS device can also reach the settings, and we can, without logging in as the owner, we can stow and unstow the device from any iOS on the network. As you can see here, if we pack it up, you'll notice the dish fold. And again, any iOS device on the network can also unstow it, which will get the system ready for use again. Just takes a couple of seconds cycle time to actually restart the system. TeslaTaxi.com.au if you'd like to rent one of these kits, either with the inverter to run it mobile or just the regular power supply for running it in a house or office. As you can see, it has reactivated now, and the app shows that it is back online. Might not have as fast a speed since we've just powered it down, but it does ramp back up pretty quickly. TeslaTaxi.com.au if you'd like to rent a kit with the basic equipment and or inverters or wireless range extenders, etc.